Hello there and welcome to our look at the powerful Amiloe MAX 33-pound digital kitchen scale. This highly accurate device measures small increments and switches between 6 useful units with one simple touch. It features a unique 8-inch ruler on the surface and a hidden hook for easy hanging storage. The waterproof tempered glass top and stainless steel finish ensure your scale stays clean and lasts long. You can use the tare function to remove container weight and achieve perfect results every single time. Its slim profile slides into any cabinet, and the bright display is very easy to read clearly. Elevate your cooking and baking experience today with this reliable and multifunctional kitchen tool for your home. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.